We're in Fanuc 31A series CNC, and if you ever had the issue to try to copy and paste the program from the USB and you don't have enabled the keys here, you have to go to settings, select 29, enter the password, in this case Sunrise, okay, input or enter, authorize, and change the input output the CNC program to off. Exit, go back to program, and now punch and read, and you have the options now available.